Hello and welcome back to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're exploring a concept in English contract law that often surprises people because it isn't about compensation or damages. Instead, it's about insisting that a promise is actually carried out. This remedy is known as specific performance, and while it sounds dramatic, it plays a crucial role when fairness demands more than money. Imagine you've agreed to buy a particular house. Not just any property, but the one you've had your eye on for years. You've exchanged contracts, arranged your finances, and told friends you'll finally have the spare room you've always wanted. Then the seller announces they've changed their mind. Or maybe someone else has offered them a little more. You're left stunned because what you've lost isn't simply financial. It's the unique chance to own that exact property. This is where specific performance enters the stage. Specific performance is a court order requiring a party to carry out the precise obligations they agreed to under a contract. Instead of awarding compensation, the court can require actual performance. In other words, if someone promised to sell you something unique, the court can insist they go through with it. The idea comes from equity, which steps in when money isn't enough to put things right. However, specific performance isn't given lightly. Courts approach this remedy with considerable care. Damages are the usual solution in contract disputes because they're simple to administer and don't involve forcing reluctant parties to continue a relationship. But equity recognizes that some things simply cannot be replaced. That's when the remedy becomes meaningful. Property is the classic example. Every piece of land is considered unique, which is why specific performance is so often sought in property transactions. If someone refuses to complete, the court may agree that no amount of money can truly compensate you for losing that particular home or plot. The same principle can apply to rare goods, bespoke items and assets with special value. When you can't just go out and buy another one, specific performance becomes a realistic and often powerful remedy. There are, however, limits. The court won't order specific performance if the contract is too uncertain or impossible to carry out. It also steers clear of contracts involving personal services. You can't compel someone to work for you or carry out tasks that require close cooperation or supervision. The law is aimed at fairness, not forced partnerships. For clients, understanding specific performance is incredibly useful. It influences how contracts are drafted, negotiated, and enforced. It also offers reassurance when entering into high-value or one-of-a-kind agreements. Knowing that the court may compel performance can provide valuable leverage in disputes. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help clients navigate these complexities and assess whether specific performance is the right remedy in their situation. It's always a strategic decision based on the nature of the contract and the fairness of enforcing it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.